border will next year. The defending Terrier Group winner, Adam, the Smooth Fox Terrier. The Caribou Terrier, Chelsea. The Scottish Terrier, Phoebe. Winning Skye Terrier in history, Buddy. And Tommy, the #1 Welsh Terrier last year. Iceland. Another tough job. We really make our terrier judges work hard, I'm telling you. Every year. You hear the crowd hollering out their favorites. It was the carry out first. The Smooth in second behind him. I think he's done. And there we go. Bill McFadden in the Caribou Terrier. Does that sound familiar? How about 2003 when Bill won it all? 2, the 3, Nick, 4. The Caribou is first, the Smooth is second, the Skye is third. He knows. And the Amstaff is fourth. He jumped right up on the winner's circle. Right where he was supposed to be.
So there it is. Terrier Group has been decided. Coming up next, it's Best in
February 29th, Psych is back. We're gonna fight the Powerball! With new cases,
You say suspectum reuna, suspecto tantata.
new faces,
Like you.
and new Shatner. Psych Suicide premiere, Wednesday, February 29th at 10 on USA.
Smoky bacon, meaty bacon, tasty bacon!
Bacon? Ooh la la.
I say, it's not bacon!
Who wants a bacon strip?
Me, I get it myself, but I don't have sons! Bacon! I love bacon, I love you! I love bacon, I love you!
Begging strips. There's no time like begging time. And check out Begging Thick Cut.
I'm gonna need a bigger mouth!
Your carpet is dirtier than you think. Get the dirt vacuums can't with the new Bissell Lift-Off Deep Cleaner. Hot cleaning solution penetrates deep into the carpet fibers, then powerful suction lifts it away. Plus it has a removable spot cleaner. Bissell, home to a deeper clean.
Coming soon to DVD and Blu-ray. Puss in Boots is a legend.
I protect the innocent.
A lover. A hero.
A real beefcake.
On the Academy Award nominated film. Friday, February 24th.
Hey Brian, can I have some wheat thins?
What?
Can I have some wheat thins?
They're wheat thins.
Wheat thins.
Wheat thins.
Wheat thins.
Why are you putting so much emphasis on the H?
What are you talking about? I'm just saying wheat thins.
Wheat thins.
Wheat thins.
Can I be in your commercial?
No, it's our thing. We're doing it.
That clench you have does more than polish wood. It also cleans leather, gives a luster to laminate, stainless, even granite. Today, clench shines more on end tables.
SC Johnson, a family company.
Healthier, more radiant skin. It's in your future now. Discover the power of Aveeno Positively Radiant with Total Soy. It's clinically proven to visibly reduce past damage, while broad-spectrum SPF 30 helps prevent future damage. Aveeno Positively Radiant.
The cold out can be overwhelming, especially when you're sick. Now with new simpler packaging, Robitussin makes it simple to get the right relief for your symptoms. New simpler packaging, same effective relief. Robitussin, relief made simple.
Purina One Beyond. Food for your cat or dog.
There's Chelsea, the Caribou Terrier, the winner of this group. Such a tough group. So many great animals. animals in there. The smooth fox terrier coming in second in the sky, and the Amstat rounding it out. So it's
Beautiful terrier group.
Really
Four great
is.
winners.
and now
Carrie joins us. Here's our 7 finalists. The wire-haired dachshund from the hound group, the Pete from the toy group, the Dalmatian, the German Shepherd, the Irish Setter, the Doberman Pinscher, and the Kerry Booby Terrier.
those are the 7.
Brown.
And the judge, the best in has no idea who he's about to judge, right?
Well, she's been sequestered, as it were, for a while, and Westminster does let her know what breeds are going to be in her ring, so if she wants to do a little last minute checking on their standards.
All right, for a report, Best in Show judge, let's go to Tiffany Simons.
Well, guys, this year's Best in Show judge is Cindy Vogel. She resides in Colorado, and she's been around dogs all of her life. As you'll be able to see, her credentials are quite extensive. She arrived in New York City just a few days ago. Sunday night, she went to the judge's dinner, and then her official duties began. As you said, David, she's been sequestered for 2 days. She has not watched any television. She has not read any newspapers. So when she walks into the arena tonight, it will be the first time she laid eyes on the 7 finalists. Mary?
All right, Samantha. Thank you very much. So these are the dogs she's about to judge. Of course, the German Shepherd, a very popular one here in New York City, and 6 others. Dr. for a moment.
Now USA's Character with a Cause.
Paws and paws matches shelter.